Okay, so right now, as you can see, we are in Montclair Bend Lane and East Little York Road. And as you can see, these roads are completely flooded. You can see my feet are in the water. Mostly. And then there's school buses trying to get, I don't know if students or it's actual people from shelters trying to get to safe place. I know that more in downtown they are still flooded, and here you see people just trying to get out of the water. As you can see, the currents are very strong, so as you can see, that's why they are in cars. And if you walk a little more further, you can obviously see that I would get taken by the current. So we need to be careful and just stay home and stay safe, because as when we were walking over here, we could see cars. Oh my goodness, the wind is so strong. We could see cars trying to, like, some other cars, like those right there. I don't know what they're called, but they're cars, and they were trying to help other people with their cars to get out. And some of them did get out, and some of them are still struggling. So if you know who they are, just please come help them. And as you can see over there, that there are a bunch of cars that are stuck, and people who are just trying to get out. I don't know if this person was trying to help or something, but you can see there's a bunch of cars just like stuck over there. And I don't know if these cars are from teachers at this school. I don't know if they're stranded at the school, if they can't get out from the school. And I can't really tell if they're stranded or they need help from the school. So I don't know if we can get somebody down here just to make sure they're okay, or just planning lessons for tomorrow if they're gonna have school tomorrow. And over there, as you can see, there are a bunch of cars and trucks. Some of them are stuck, maybe because this is not their neighborhood area, or maybe they live more over there, because I know there's a bunch of schools over there that cancel school as well because of the flood. And we don't know if they're stuck. I know some cars are coming and going, and I know some of them are stuck, and some people are trying to get out, and there's more trucks over here trying to get out. And as you can see, this is a major situation. And over here, there's a bunch of people coming right now, and I don't know if these are cars or just want to make sure everybody's okay, trying to help. And thank you, and that's all. We'll keep you posted. Back to you.